Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Military News Channel. In the world of aviation, speed has always been a coveted attribute. From the Wright brothers' historic flight to supersonic jets like the Concorde, mankind's relentless pursuit of faster and more advanced aircraft has been a constant theme. One aircraft that has generated significant buzz in recent years is the SR-72 Darkstar, touted as the fastest hypersonic aircraft ever built. In this article, we will delve into the world of the SR-72 Darkstar, exploring its history, capabilities, and the implications it holds for the future of aviation and defense. The SR-72 Darkstar, often referred to as the Son of Blackbird, is a project developed by Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works division. It is the successor to the legendary SR-71 Blackbird, which held the title of the world's fastest aircraft for decades. The SR-71 was capable of cruising at speeds in excess of Mach 3, approximately 2,300 miles per hour, and it was used for reconnaissance missions during the Cold War. The SR-72 project was born out of a need for a reconnaissance aircraft that could fly even faster and deeper into enemy territory than its predecessor. Hypersonic flight, typically defined as speeds greater than Mach 5, offered the potential for unprecedented speed and range, making it a compelling choice for future military applications. The SR-72 is designed to reach speeds of Mach 6 or higher, which is 6 times the speed of sound. This means it can cover vast distances in a fraction of the time it would take conventional aircraft. Unlike its predecessor, the SR-72 is envisioned as a multi-role aircraft capable of both reconnaissance and strike missions. Its speed and altitude capabilities would allow it to rapidly respond to emerging threats and carry out missions with a high degree of precision. While initially conceived as an unmanned aircraft, there are discussions about making the SR-72 optionally piloted, allowing for human control when needed, especially in complex or changing mission environments. The incredible speed of the SR-72 would significantly reduce reaction times for military operations, offering a strategic advantage in a rapidly evolving battlefield. Hypersonic flight typically requires significantly less fuel compared to traditional jet engines, which can result in cost savings over time.